Hi, my name is Kevin Retcher. I'm the owner of KSA Insurance Agency, and this is your insurance tip of the day. So, I get a lot of clients that will sometimes ask me, what is the proper liability insurance to carry on your auto in your home? Okay. And so that's a loaded question. As an insurance agent, you never want to give a definitive number, okay, that puts you in a box. Okay, so I'm going to give you the answer that I give most clients. I recommend the lowest liability insurance on your home and your auto that makes you eligible for an umbrella behind both of those. And what I mean by that is some insurance companies have a $300,000 liability limit or deductible to be eligible to actually purchase an umbrella that covers behind the home and the auto. Okay, same for the home. So usually it's 300,000 or 500,000, and then that is your deductible for the umbrella policy to kick in over and above the home and the auto. Okay, and this is the thing. How much should you get on the umbrella? As much as you can afford, and whatever you're not willing to self-insure yourself. Okay, so what I mean by that is if you're worth $4 million, and someone knew that, and you did something where they could sue you for that, they're probably coming after that entire amount of money, or as much as they can. So in that endeavor, you might get a $2 million umbrella and then self-insure the other two, or you might insure the whole four, and then you have your reserves if you needed more. Okay, that's generally how I look at someone's particular situation. But the key is to get the umbrella at least at a minimum the $1 million behind the home and the auto. So when you add the home and the auto to the $1 million, that's usually 1.3, 1.5 in liability coverage. If your net worth is less than that, then you're covering your assets. Okay. Most lawsuits are settled within the amounts of the insurance that's covered. Okay. So some people will ask, well, why get the umbrella, and isn't 300 or 500 enough? And I would argue that in some cases it is, and in some cases it's not. There is a thing that a judge could garnish your wages for the rest of your life if you don't have enough insurance, if you were found liable for some particular reason. So that's my insurance tip of the day. Definitely get the umbrella. At a minimum, 1 or 2 million for most individuals is fine. The average umbrella for $1 million is only about $400, and then for each additional risk, like if you have extra automobiles, extra kids, pool, things of that nature, it's about $25 for each one of those items. So generally speaking, most first $1 million in coverage is probably anywhere from 400 to 600, and then going to 2 million is probably about 800 to 1,000, and then so on and so on. So that is your insurance tip of the day. Get an umbrella. Make sure you have enough coverage on your home and your auto to be eligible for that. And if you have any questions and want any tips, I'm happy to review your insurance that you have with your current provider. I generally underwrite most of my stuff through Travelers. and I own KSA Insurance Agency. I also own First Meridian Mortgage. If you're in need of a mortgage, let me know. And I also have my real estate license. And if you're in need of a realtor, I have about 500 in my database. I'd be happy to refer a local one to you. Again, it's Kevin Retcher, 703-799-5626. I look forward to serving you, and to all the Marines out there, Semper Fi. I'll talk to you soon.